This is our new model ZW3 dash camera. There is one front camera built into the main device. It can rotate 180 degrees so that it can record the inside the vehicle or record the front. There is a SIM card and SD card slot design. It can support 3 cameras record at the same time. This is the IR inside dash camera. There are 6 pieces LED on the IR inside camera. If you want to use the DMS function, and we had better to block to cover this LED so that the image of the inside camera is white and black color. The DMS function will be more sensitive. This is the power supply. Black wire connect to the ground. Red wire connect to ACC. Yellow wire connected to the long power of the car battery. After we close the engine, stop the car, stop the vehicle, and there's still power supply to the ZW3 dash camera. This is the back camera. This cable is about 8 meters. This cable are for the 4G and GPS model. AH1 for the IR inside camera connection. AH2 for the rear camera connection. When we short press the power cable, about 3 seconds, the dash camera will reboot. If we long press the power cable, the ZW3 dash camera will recover to the factory default setting.